Hello guys, my name is Manvit. We are back with another video of Roblox. Oh, wait, what? Oh my gosh guys, this looks like exactly like the trailer of APRP, which means Accurate Piggy Roleplay. Let's play it guys. Oh yeah. Okay? What is the question? Oh wow, what? Wait, we can actually create a new skin? Okay, set, good. A long dress, shirt, good. Next. Ooh, it could be Dino Piggy. Or we could make it this guy. Oh, this is Angel. Soldier. Pig Doggy. Kitty. Daisy. Wow. Glitchy. Oh, the name is Glitchy Clowny. What's my favorite? Yeah, my favorite one is George. Mr. Georgie. There's no Georgie. Then let me just go with it's hard to Willow. Oh, we're gonna make torso. Okay. Torso, let me make blue. We're gonna make Willow's bread. Let's make William. And my eyes. Willow wear black, so he would wear black. And the left leg. Wow. Okay, yeah. Now let's write. Oh, we can also change the pupil, guys. Left arm. Willow's arm was like. I will keep this color. No, this. Yes. It doesn't look that much good. I think this look good. Oh wait, Willow is actually wolf now, guys. So wolf would have. Let's take black. Nope. Let's actually take black. No. It looks bad. Let's actually take this one, guys. Now let's change the left pupil. Black, guys. Let's not make it an infected. We don't know if William is actually infected, so yeah, let's just not do it. Ooh, belts. Kina. Wait, this is then it would no. No, wait, this no wolf. No. This is actually wrong because no accessories. Oh, it's yeah. This will be good. Yes, good. What will open up? Toggle eyes. Yeah, next. Ooh, no weapon. Mossy weapon? Nope. Oh! Wait, is there a willow weapon? Nope, nope. Let's actually take what would. Yeah, I will go with it. Woohoo, we got it. Okay, guys, this would be a good sun. Wow. Done. Okay, guys, yeah, we got our willow skin. Oh, willow sitting. Okay, now let's explore the building. But yes, guys, before exploring the building, I just want to do one thing. Yes, guys, see, we're in what we see. If you just click on here, guys, we're in this place. The goats in the run piggy RP customs. Yeah, guys, if you just click on this, boom, you will just get this, guys. What I can say, you will get the whitey one thing. Now let's get back into the video. Yes, guys, yeah. We have wait. Why is this thing here? Wow, it's a piggy. Wow, I can actually do that, guys. Wow. Yeah, but wait. Is there anything else there? Wait, are there any badges? I created William. I created William's badge. Wait, guys. Oh, wait, we could actually choose an audio for skill. Let me just take. Where is there any else thing? Is there? No, there's no willow. Okay. I think. Yes, this done. Torture, yes, done. Oh, yeah, I forgot that. Oh! Hey! No, why are you doing that? That's not. Nope, that doesn't look good. 64 days. Oh, that's for Clowny. Wait, what about for a jump scare? Wait, what happened? Wait, what happened to William's eyes? Are they actually okay? Okay guys, yeah, let's just explore. Okay. Wow, okay. Wait, why is this laggy? Ooh. Look at this. Okay. Ooh. Guys, everything looks like the same thing from the trailer. I think some people didn't actually saw the trailer and just played it. But I did saw the trailer. Wow, oh my. Wait, is this a real piggy or is this a player? I think that's a player. But wow, let's see it. William. But yeah guys, I didn't found the one that I was looking for. How? Why will William? Let me create skin. Guys, I did. Let's actually take a shirt. And then a piggy head should be waist below. I think I did show Willow's piggy head. Did I actually made a Willow piggy head? That will be funny. Hey Rage. Ooh, look at Rage. What about Ras? Okay, and Rage. Rage is a robot now guys, so yeah, let's go with that. And his storage should be black. And his right arm should be what would, yes, a grey color. Oh, so we cannot choose that color. Okay, good. Now let's check left pupil. Black. Nope. Let's just make it black. Oh wait, no, red. Make it red. Left pupil red. Oh wait, yeah. This red doesn't have a pupil now here. Okay, good. So yeah. Next. Nope. Tail. Yes, we do want a tail. So yeah, tail. Ooh, we could actually use this for William, but I didn't saw it actually. Oh, Dino Piggy we could use it for Dino Piggy. Yes. Let's actually give Ras. Nope, a robot would have. Nope. What? Where's Mr. P skin? Is there any Mr. P? Mr. P? I want Mr. P weapon. Mr. P. Oh, Robbies. Yeah. We got the morph, you guys. Yes, this is it, guys. I got it. I want where's Robbies? Guys, yes. Guys, this is official. This is my RAS robot. This is my RAS robot, guys. I have created the robot. Initiate maybe I should do this. Status off. Webs 7 closing. Good. Now that should be good. I wonder what's after. Tika. Don't mind me dancing. I just. Or else you will eat me. Potato. I thought, wait, is Mr. P actually now a plum or a potato? Is it still a potato? Because I did heard that potato sets can be purple. But yeah, guys, I think that's enough for today. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. So bye. Oh, hello, Mousy.